Hey nerds, welcome back to Nerd Getting Fit. We've battled procrastination, crushed gym intimidation, and leveled up our workouts. But today, we're taking on the final boss, building a sustainable fitness lifestyle. Because fitness isn't just a one-time quest, it's a lifelong adventure. Let's make sure you're ready to keep leveling up for years to come. Here's the thing, fitness isn't about grinding for a few weeks and then quitting. It's about creating habits that fit into your life, so you can keep feeling strong, healthy, and ready to take on anything, whether it's a gaming marathon or a real-life challenge. Let's talk about how to make fitness sustainable, fun, and something you actually look forward to. First up, find your fitness style. Not everyone loves the same workouts, and that's okay. The key is to experiment and find what works for you. Love gaming? Try VR workouts like Beat Saber or Supernatural. Prefer something chill? Yoga might be your thing. Want to feel like a superhero? Strength training is where it's at. Fitness isn't one size fits all. Find what makes you excited to move and stick with it. Next, focus on building habits, not just chasing goals. Goals are great for motivation, but habits are what keep you going long term. Start small. Commit to just 10 minutes a day or two, 3 workouts a week. Over time, it'll become part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or checking your game stats. Remember, consistency is the real MVP here. Let's be real. If fitness feels like a chore, you're not going to stick with it. So, make it fun. Gamify your workouts, join a fitness challenge, or work out with friends. Apps like Zombies, Run, or Habitica turn fitness into a game where you can earn rewards and achievements. Because who doesn't love unlocking badges? Find ways to make fitness something you look forward to, not something you dread. Here's a pro tip. Rest and recovery are just as important as your workouts. Think of it as recharging your health bar. Make sure to stretch, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. Your body needs time to recover so you can come back stronger. Because no one wants to face the next boss battle with a depleted health bar. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins, big or small. Whether it's completing your first workout, hitting a new personal best, or just showing up consistently, every step forward is worth celebrating. Fitness is a journey, not a race. Take pride in how far you've come and keep pushing forward. Congratulations, nerds! You've completed the final quest in our fitness series, but remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Keep leveling up, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Wait, you're leaving without hitting like or subscribing? That's like rage quitting before the final level. Please don't do it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join the squad. Because next week, I'm revealing an exciting upcoming video like the ultimate nerdy fitness hack or how to gamify your workouts even more. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your fitness kryptonite? Let's conquer it together. Until next time, keep leveling up.